to show you quickly about how to use the Desmos Scientific Calculator that's on Schoology for you to use. To do counting methods, you're going to need to go here to this functions button, and then our probability means are down here on the bottom. So if you want a factorial, because you want to do, say, 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, you can just press 7 and press the factorial button. It automatically calculates for you. Here's the clear. NPRs and NCRs work differently than the calculators that we use in class. You'll select the formula you want, and then it's going to want you to give it N and R. So say I wanted to do 10 as my total group size, or total things I'm lining up, and I want to line up 5 of them, I would have to do 10 and then comma. You can use just your keyboard to press comma, and then your 5. Then it'll calculate it for you over here. If you're working with something that doesn't have a keyboard, you can press your NPR, put in your total number, then here ABCs, the commas over here, you can do it there. You can also go back, if you need the number keys, you can go back to the main and click the number keys that way to that same answer. Combinations formula works the same. Remember, you got to go back to the functions, combinations formula, put in the total, comma, how many are going to be in your group. So hopefully that helps you if you don't have a calculator at your house and you need to use the Desmos online calculator.